And that's the essence of what we're doing. You can be a crazy b-boy, crazy b-girl, right? Still about dancing. What's the difference between a dance and a sport? The freaking music. What's up, guys? Today we're in Stralsund. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's in Germany, and I'm here to teach a workshop and judging tomorrow. So in this workshop specifically, we're gonna be giving a lot of tips for intermediate beginner breakers on how to improve their top rock. So if you want to improve your top rock, sit back, relax, and pay attention. Here we go. Let me give you a lot of tips that's gonna really help you improve your top rock in battle and really get those points in. Spread out and fill up the room. Fill up the room, spread out a little bit more. So, awesome for me to be here in Germany. First time in Stralsund. Say it one more time.
Stralsund.
Stralsund.
Yes.
Okay, nice. First time here, looks very peaceful, looks very relaxing. You guys gonna compete tomorrow with the battle? If you're competing tomorrow in the battle, apply the tips I'm gonna share with you right now. Really remember them. That's the first thing I always tell people when I give workshops, is a little story that I went through a few years ago. I went to a country and I went to give a workshop. And there were a lot of amazing kids at this workshop. And I had a great time. All week, I taught them a lot of different things. And I told myself, wow, these kids in 1 year, they're gonna be insane. They're gonna be amazing. 1 year passes. Can't wait to see these kids again, right? I arrive, first day of the camp, watch them train. It was the same as last year. All the information they got, they had it stored here, but they didn't use it. So if you get good information and you don't use it, not you, but if you get good information and you don't apply it, you're in the same position as the people that don't have the information, because the same thing gonna happen. In classes, especially when I'm teaching a lot of students, I'm looking for something as a coach. I'm looking not for the fastest or the person that can jump the highest or the guy or the girl with the most style or swag. Bro, I'm looking for one thing. I'm looking how fast do you learn new stuff? How fast do you adapt to the new information? Because we all have our habits. And as humans, we love our habits. And we want to stay in the habits because we feel comfortable in the habits. As soon as I take you out of your habits and you have to try something new, you feel like a beginner. And you don't want people to see that. So, you want to stay away from that. But that is not the right attitude. Learn new things, try new things, adapt quickly. Like in 5 years' time, you can achieve insane stuff just with the right engine, which is your brain. So when I say this, guys, don't be like the kids I taught a few years ago, right? Learn, memorize, and apply it straight away. And tomorrow is the best example because tomorrow you're all dancing, you're all battling. That's the moment you can bring out all these tips. So, first exercise for you guys, I'm just gonna give you like 1 minute and I want everybody just to top rock however you want, all right? And then let's start building from there. I'm gonna give you guys some more challenges, some more fun. Got a lot of cool beats right here for you guys, some fresh stuff. Okay guys, 1 minute of regular top rock. Do your thing, here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And 3, 2, 1, and 5 push-ups. Let's go, 5 push-ups. Okay, so I got a lot of tips when it comes to top rock, and I got a lot of easy little things that will really help you shine on your stage. Because you can be on that stage, you can be on the floor, you can be in the cypher, in the middle of the cypher, still be invisible. Why? Because when we're at battles, when we're at jams, judges and the crowd, you know, we get to see so many people dance. So if you don't find that little something that matches you and helps you kind of like shine brighter, it can really feel like you're invisible. Like you can dance on the stage and at the end of the day, nobody's gonna know that you actually danced on the stage. Try and be remembered. So first things first, let's go back to this track really quick. Really simple. When we're dancing on the beat, you got your kick and your snare, right? Doom, ka, doom, 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 ka. The doom is the kick, the ka is the snare. Kick, snare, kick, 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 snare. These two sounds are really different. They sound different. So the way your body executes movement on those two different sounds should actually be a little bit different. Now for the kick, when it goes, it's kind of like a heavy sound, like you drop something. So when you're doing that, try and give it that feel like I'm heavy. I don't know if you guys pop a little bit for fun, you know? We should, as b-boys and b-girls, we should do it a little bit, right? But kind of give it that drop feel. And then the snare, the ka, is a lot sharper. It's like hitting with a stick. Ka. So make that movement sharp. So it goes heavy, sharp. Heavy, sharp. It's completely different if you really look at it. And it matches the music correctly. For this exercise, I want you to just dance and freestyle. And let's try and sharpen the snare. So instead of going like boom, ka, boom, 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 ka, being loose on your snare, sharpen it up. Boom, ka, boom, 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 ka. Like it's like ka, ka, ka. It's like almost like a knife, as sharp as a knife when I'm hitting that snare. Try and make it natural. Don't be like, boom, ah. Don't overreact, but it's gotta be ka, ka. It's gotta have a sharp little hit to it. It's really important you don't look left and right. This is you and the music. Close your eyes, listen, and try imitate me. Try and do exactly what I was doing right now. Let's try it out. Listen to the music and sharpen out that snare. Here we go. Ka, 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 boom, ka, ka, ka. Nice one. Let's go. Hit the beat. Boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, doom, doom. Nice, nice, nice. Let's move on to another little challenge for you guys, right? Let's play around more with the energy. Last tip was being really sharp when it came to like the snares in the music and when you're stepping out of your, out of your circle. Now let's just play with energies, and you can dance like 8 counts, like a normal energy. And then I want you guys to completely lower down the energy, to be like super relaxed. So how does that look, right? It looks like this. I'm dancing on my Toprock. Let me listen really quick. So Toprock, boom, ga, doom, doom, ga. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, ba. Just like engaged battle energy, but then at the same time, relax, and then I go back into it. Now the important thing is that we really see at what energy level you are, because I give this exercise a lot. And usually I see like a little bit high energy and then a little bit low energy. It's too close. I'm looking, I'm like, is this person dancing with high energy or low energy? It's not clear when I'm looking. So I gotta be looking at you and I gotta be like, okay, that's definitely high energy and that's definitely low. You gotta, sometimes it feels like we do it right, but it's not clear enough. We have to really amplify our movements. Even the small things. When I go small, I really go small, but it's still clear in a way. So high energy, low energy. High energy, low energy. Play around. All right, here we go. High energy, low energy. And breathe, guys. Very good. So it's important that we really see if you dance at a high energy or a low energy. We gotta see the difference. It's gotta be very, very clear. I don't wanna be confused when I'm looking. Come a little bit closer. Come to the speaker. Let's listen to this music really quick, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. What's really important in music for all dances and all musicians, but especially us B-boys and B-girls, the 1. 6, 7, 8, 1. 6, 7, 8, 1. Why? You heard it. In the music, the 1 is always a little bit, there's always something special going on the 1. All right, let's just do it again. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 1s are really, really important because people need to use the 1 as much as they can when they're breaking and dancing. I really try to push people to use it a little bit more, even for the most simplest things. So for example, what I use the 1 for, especially when it comes to those Toprocks, is my starting and finishing moment. So that means when the music is playing, right? I'm looking for the 1, I'm listening to the music. Imagine I got a battle, I'm counting, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got my 1, all right? 5, 6, 1. I start on a 1. Why? Because it gives me an extra boost. You know what? I can start on a random 7, like, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can, but it's still a little bit different. Somebody who really masters the one and uses it in a smarter way, it's better. Also, when you're changing those levels of energy, also do it on the one. So let's here we go. 5, 6, 7. I go in 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time you have a 1, it's like a new page. New page. New page. So if you match your types of movements better to those pages, it just connects better to the music because the music is made out of 8 counts, 8 counts, 8 counts, 8 counts. If you can respect that a little bit more, you're still free, you're still flexible, but if you respect that a little bit more, what we see really is in sync with what we hear. And that's the essence of what we're doing. You can be a crazy b-boy, crazy b-girl, right? Still about dancing. What's the difference between a dance and a sport? The freaking music. If you don't listen to the music, you're not really dancing. So let's play around with this. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time just to freestyle, and then let's team up and do like small little battles and try and catch the one as much as we can. Spread out, listen to the music, here we go. I'll count with you guys to help you out. Guys, use the one more, but use it in a subtle way. All right, you don't wanna be giving cocks with every single one and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. Listen to the freaking music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good, good, good. Now, instead of dancing the whole time through, do short rounds for yourself. So you'd be like, imagine you're in a battle. All right, and it's not your turn, and you're waiting for your turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go in on a 1, dance, do your thing, but also stop on a 1. Breathe a little bit, and then go back in again like you're doing a new round, okay? Simulate short little rounds so you get to apply it more. And tomorrow, I will be judging, and I spy with my little eye people who listen to the freaking music. All right, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and... Yes! 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, and yes! 7, 8, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. Breathe, my friends. Breathe. Breathe, yeah. Let's make a little cipher here. Let's make a little cipher. I want to do a little test battle, a little practice battle against you. All right? Yes. So what we're gonna do is we're only gonna try and practice the things we just been doing. Going in on a 1. Dancing, changing energy, but also on a 1. And then freestyling your way out of it, finishing on a 1. So pay close attention, guys. This is how you do it. In a battle, I'm always listening. Boom, ha. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Finish on the 1. She went in on the 1. Very good. Perfect. Energy change. Bring it back up again. Ba, do, da. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very good job. Dope. So what I really liked is that you could feel when she was going like on the rougher side. You can go a little bit harder though. But then when it went all soft and there's a nice finesse to it. Very nice. Make them more strong. The hard part, make it stronger, bigger. The soft part, slow it down. Fight the rush. Choose einen Partner, ja? Und wir machen Sie einen Toprock Battle mit Sie Musicalität und Energy stuff. 6, 7, 8, 1. Nice, good groove, good groove. Super smooth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 6, 7, 8, 1. Go back, yeah, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cool, relax, relax, relax. 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4. Very good, very good. Finish up. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it, that's it. Now guys, remember what I said in the beginning. Stepping outside of your comfort zone, doing things that, feels a little bit weird. I want you to match up with somebody you don't know. Somebody you don't know, you gotta match up with them, you gotta battle, all right? Rock, paper, scissors, here we go. One more, let's go. I wanna see this, I wanna see this. They got rock, paper, scissors, 5 times tie. There you go, settled. Guys, people that battle at a very, very high level, they don't have ears. They have freaking radars. They are scanning the music. Okay, this is on the 1, this is on the 7, this is on this is on that. There's a difference between listening and hearing. You can hear whatever you want. Listening is like you're paying attention. Let's listen together to this track. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6. Yes. You can hear there's a clear 1. Not always an accent, but the 1 still a pretty strong one here. So why I wanted to do this is because a lot of people don't do this. I give the exercise, I put on the music, everybody, hey, they go straight in. They're not listening. Get into it first, then you go in, okay? All right, good luck, guys, good luck. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Look in the eyes, look in the eyes. Next level musicality, but don't let the eyes go down. Yeah. Let's go, Seb. 1. Good. And a 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and smooth. 6, 7, 8. More the energy levels. High energy, low energy. Yes. Show it more, show it more. Let's go, let's go. Arma, use the arms. 1. Oh. Keep going. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Keep the eyes up, eyes up, eyes up. Boom, 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 ba. Smooth Toprock. Show the energies. You're dancing very well, but I want to see when are you dancing with high energy and when are you dancing with the low energy.
Okay.
It's all,
yes.
Everything is in between.
Okay.
I need or that, all right?
Okay,
It's gonna be so much doper.
Okay.
Next round, all right? Next round. Here we go. Last round, last round. Boom, 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 High and low energy, guys, high and low energy. Good, 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 good. That's all right. What I would like to see more, the high energy is very present.
Yeah, but lower.
Yeah, bro, like, sometimes you gotta relax. Yeah, yeah, like really. Let's see if this guy does it.
He's chilling.
Yeah, he's chilling. Yeah. Only an experienced person will be in the middle of the pressure and be relaxed.
Yeah.
And judges see that.
Okay.
If you all the time pressure,
Pumping,
yeah, you know what I mean? If you're pumping,
Yeah.
it shows like, oh, this person is really feeling the adrenaline, you know? Good, good, good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, you got a lot of other videos that you can find on my YouTube channel. And at the end of the day, if you think about it, it's just all about that B-boy shit. Peace.